Morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I'm fine, thank you. Staying safe at home? Listening to parents? Yes? That's nice. Good. Fresh up like this. Do like this. Rub. Apply on your face. Rub. Apply on your face. Rub. Apply on your face. One more time. That's nice. Rub, 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 rub. Apply on your face. Yes. Feeling fresh? Yes, I'm feeling fresh. How about you? That's sweet. Very good. So, shall we go for today's session? Yes? Ready? Good. So, ready means what you should do? You should do thumbs up. That's sweet. Show me. That's sweet. So today we are going to learn one more alphabet. Wow, my children are growing. So smart. I know they will learn very fast. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, yes. Say yes, children. Yes, teacher. I should hear you, correct? Say yes, teacher. That's good. So we'll revise A, B, C, D. Yes. Yes or no? That's nice. Good. Start. Yes. In another way. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yes? One more time? Yes. Put your hands like this. See. Keep your hands like this first. Fold. So, it will come like this. Correct? We'll start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yes. Do like this? Yes. Good. Very smart, children. So cute. Have you noticed one thing? One letter is in other color. Other something different. Yes or no? Why it is different? I know my children are very smart. Yes, children, you are perfect. We are going to learn that letter. Shall we take them out? Only one letter. So, shall we take it out? S? Yes, I took it. What is that? K. We took capital K because that was different. So, we took capital K. Good. What is this? Capital K. What is the letter next to it? Which is in the box? What is that? Small K. What is that? Small K. How we should say small letters? Small K. Got it? Small K. You saw the difference between capital K and small k, children? See, capital K starting from the first line, and this K bent is also in the same start line. Correct? But small k, it is down. That bent line is down. Standing line, and the bent line is down. This is the difference between capital K and small k. So, we will take small k now. Yes or no? I am taking it out. Small k. We took small k. Good. What is this background, children? Very nice, na? Wow. So sweet. Even I want to go there. Not now. Later. When? Later. We are going to see a story now through the letter K. Who is she? Koel. Who is she? Koel. See, very nicely she's enjoying the nature, na? Yes? What is she doing? She's playing and waiting for her friend. Waiting for her friend. What is her name? Koel. What is her name? Koel. Ah, there came Koel's friend. Karthik. What is his name? Karthik. What Karthik is having in his hand? Kite. Karthik is having kite in his hand. See, first Koel, Karthik have kite in his hand. On the way, what they saw? A kangaroo. What is that? Kangaroo. See, kangaroo is having small kangaroo in its pouch. Having small kangaroo in its pouch. So nicely it's carrying, correct? That's good. You know, they got hot water in their kettle. What is that? Kettle. What they took? Hot water in their kettle. Because if they feel thirsty, they can drink it. The hot water from their kettle. What is that? Kettle. Do you have kettle at home? Yes? Wow. That's sweet. Very nice. What is that? Now you're seeing in laptop and seeing in your mobile. Yes? This is the keyboard. What is this? Keyboard. You can see this so many keys na when you are typing something in your laptop or your computer. You will be seeing this. You will be typing through this. What is this? Keyboard. Yes? Keyboard. Let's see what other words we have. Wow! Kiwi fruit. K for kiwi fruit. Who all likes to have kiwi? Wow! That's good. Very nice. We will take a spoon and have it. Correct? Yes. What is that? Kiwi fruit. Good. See, this Koel is having, Karthik is having kiwi fruit now. As I told you, if you eat fruits, I will give you 5 stars. How many stars you want? Eat this kiwi fruit and say K for kiwi. Send this picture to me. I will give you 5 star, 10 star, 20 stars. Okay? You want stars? Then you should send it to me. Will you send? It's perfect. That's good. Yes. K for karate. What is that? K for karate. How many of you are going for karate, children? I have seen few are going for karate. Is it? It's a very nice safety measure. You can go for a safety learning. Okay? Now you are too small. Not now. Later you can go. Okay? It's a safety weapon. It's something like a safety weapon for us. Okay? K for karate. So if you go for karate class, you can tell. Yes, K for karate. Will you tell? That's good. K for key. Everyone would have seen this key, correct? Yes. Where you would have seen this? Opening the door. Yes. When you open the door, Mama or Papa when comes out or comes out while going out, coming in from out, they'll be closing, they'll be opening with the key. Even room key also we have, correct? Yes. K for key. So next time when they open or lock the door, you should say Mama K for key, Papa K for key. Yes. You will remind that. Yes, my children are very smart. I know they will remind them. Yes, you will be telling them. Okay, K for key. Okay, yes. Now what you are going to do? Listen, everyone listen, sit properly, back straight. Everyone listen. Yes. For today's activity, you are going to do two things. First thing, go to your key place and see how many keys you have. Either you take your help of your mama or papa or your didi or bhaiya. Okay? Take any of their help and see how many keys they have. K for key, K for key, K for key, K for key. You are going to tell this. How many keys you have? You are going to show this. Teacher, I have these much keys. So K for key, K for key. You are going to tell like this to me. Yes? I'll see this and I'll give you star. This is first activity. Will you do? What is the first one? K for key. You are going to send pictures for K for key. Telling that K for key, K for key, and you should tell that. How you are going to tell, you know? See, K for key, K for key, K for key. So how many keys I had? 3. 3 times I told K for key, K for key, K for key. So you will never forget, na? K for keys. How many keys I have? I'm not having only one key. How many I have? So many keys I have. So K for keys. Got it? So nice. Okay. Like this, I have so many keys. See, I had those so many keys, na? Same way, I showed you so many keys. Wow. You have cupboard key, door key, window key, lock key, or car key, two-wheeler key. Yes. Key matlab kya? Chabi. Yes. So many types of keys. That is what? House key, our classroom key, our cupboard key, our computer ka key. Yes, there are so many keys. Okay, so hereafter you are going to tell K for key. Yes, that's smart. You are going to send this activity 1 to me. Got it? So sweet. So what we learned today? Small K. What is that? Small K. Repeat with me. Small K. What is that? Small K. What is that in the box? It is small K. In our worksheet, it will be having like this. Small K. This is in our notebook. Small K. What is that? What are you going to do now? What we are going to do? We are going to write. You are not going to write anything now, children. You are going to just listen, observe. Yes? Shall we start? Just listen to me how I am writing. Okay? Yes? See how small K will be there. Standing line in between the blue line. How it will be? Standing line in between the blue lines. What is that? Small K. Small K. One more time. Listen carefully. What is that? Small K. Got it? This is small K. Let's listen carefully. What is that? Small K. Good. So smart, my sweet children are. Yes or no? Yes. Now it's time for activity. I told you one activity already. Yes. Key. First is key activity. Got it? And second one, we are going to play in this activity. Okay? Name of a place, a name, animal, thing. What are you going to play? Name, place, animal, thing. Which starts in K. You're going to tell me any name. Say we saw now Koyal, Karthik. Any one of your names starting with K? Then you tell that name itself. Okay? A name in K. A place. Kerala. Yes, like that. You're going to tell me a place. Animal. K for kangaroo. A thing. Already we have key, a kettle. If you see any other thing in K, you please tell me. So you're going to do this activity. Name, place, animal, thing. 4 things starting with K. Will you do that for me? That's sweet of my children. Okay, children, do this activity and send to me. Will you send? I'll be waiting for you to give you stars. How many stars do you want? I will give you. You send me, I will give you stars for you. Okay? Bye-bye, children. Take care. Bye.